Hell yeah! Oh, my chest hurts. Bro, Jaden, you should try laying down. Hey, I just want to let you know, the Penn Central, for all we know, this could be it. Look at me over here, kicking my legs. You wanna see if we can get this truck to honk? I almost fucking hit my head. Oh, my chest hurts. Come on. Woo! That one was better than the other one.
Yeah, that was a female.
Oh.
You can tell it's a woman because she's speeding.
I remember that. That was so fucking out of pocket. Anyway.